We all have 24 hours in a day. But why does it seems like some people are able to use the every single minute of their day, while most of us are not able to get the value of time? Because successful people know that the value of time, because time is so precious. If you lose the time, you'll never get it back. So that's why they come up with proper plan, proper strategy to use it properly. They come up with a daily schedule so that they can implement every single day. Time management is planning how efficiently and deliberately you are using your time to maximize your productivity. Your productivity will never increase if you are not planning ahead of your time. In short, we could say get more done with a short amount of time when you are planning your time. But you need a conscious planning. You need to be focused on yourself that how I'm gonna spend my time in order to achieve my goals. In this video, I'm going to discuss about 4 tips that will help you to improve your time management. Number 1, know how you're spending your time. You exactly know how much time you are spending every single day, how much time you are sleeping, how much time you are working, how much time you are spending to the Netflix, on the social media. You know how your time goes. Whenever you know exactly where your free time goes, then you can take some of the action to use that time properly. In order to be a productive person, you need to use your free time as well as structure them. But first you need to be aware yourself where your time goes. Write down them all in details. Now you will come up with an idea that each time I'm gonna do that. You want to be a writer, you need to write every single day. So how can you use this time? Start writing. Keep writing every single day on this free time you have. And whenever you structure your free time, that will give you more motivated and you will be focused your day-to-day life. And one thing is very important, the moment you see you have a progress, you will be more happier. So first things, identify your spending of the day. Then structure your day. Then take action how you could use your time properly. Number 2, set clear goals. Setting clear goals is absolutely important to manage your time. It gives you the focus and direction to your life. It increases whenever you have a clear goals, it increases the chances of sticking with your goals. Now the question is that how will you achieve that goal? You need to ask that question yourself. When will you achieve that goal? How does it feel like when you achieve that goal? Whenever you ask those questions, you will get particular answer to those questions that will help you, that will motivate you to go further. You need to create a burning desire by yourself. Why you want to achieve that goal? If you do not have a burning desire, you will not work on them. Now the questions, when you have a clear goals, now it's time to break it down into smaller pieces. Smaller goals are the steps on the way to achieving your bigger A. Breaking this down, it will help you to be more specific and it makes your goal more measurable and manageable. So if you do not break your goals, you are not able to achieve it because every single day whenever you try to do it, it feels like it's overwhelming, burden to your life. So you need to break it down. What are the possible things you could do every single day and do it every single day. Then it comes, plan your first step. There is an ancient proverb, it says, thousands of miles start with the first step. If you do not take these actions, you'll never ever able to achieve your goals. So it is your job to take the first step. And first step is always difficult because you are working, you're out of the comfort zone. So when you are uncomfortable, your brain will not allow you to do that. But you need to push yourself to do it. Then it comes, keep going. Someday you are not feeling to do that. Someday you will be highly motivated, you will do that. But there will be some other day that you are not motivated at all. It doesn't matter. It is a matter like your discipline that teaches you that either you are motivated or not motivated. What needs to be done, you're going to be do that. Because motivation is kind of like emotion. You are feeling good, you are doing it. But if you're not feeling it, you're not doing it. So you need to be determined on yourself that eventually every single day I'm gonna do it. You need to be consistent discipline to yourself that on my goals, I will work every single day. So I try to talk about the clear goals, three different times. First, you need to have a clear vision of yourself, clear goals. Whenever you have a clear goals, break them down to a very smaller possible way and manageable way that you could do. Then plan your first step. What are your first step? Will be start now, what you could do now. And last important thing is that keep going, never stop. If you stop, you are losing that moment, you are losing the time. Number 3, time blocking. If you do not control your schedule, it will control you. Time blocking is the practice of planning out every single moment of your day in advance and dedicating yourself to the time blocks for a certain task and responsibilities. Time blocking is a time management method that asks you to divide your day into blocks of time. Like what time you are going for a run, what time you are reading for 30 minutes every single day. You know exactly what are the time blocks is already decided for your day. So focusing one task at a time is more important. It will make you more productive. Your main goal is not just time blocking, it will make you more intentional to your goal. It gives you real purpose or direction to yourself. So you can reclaim whenever you are blocking your time, you can reclaim your time. You know, these are the time I want to do and I did that. It gives you more happiness, more joy to your mind at the end of the day. And it also helps to minimize your distraction. Now you know that 6 to 6:40 you are going for a run. So there is no possible way you will be distracting. You know 7 to 7:30 you are going to read something. And in this meantime you are not doing anything. So it definitely diminishes the distraction of your life. It also creates a sense of control of yourself. You know exactly what are the tasks I need to do, what time I need to do, when I need to do. And in the meantime, I will not be distracted. I will only focus on my task. It also understand how you are spending your time. So blocking time is absolutely important to your life. If you see any successful people, they always block their time. What time they go for a meeting, what time they go for a run, what time they take the lunch. They are pretty specific of their own day. So you need to block your time. That will help you to minimize all this distraction and manage your time properly. Number 4, review and reflection. Daily reflection and review of progress is vital for personal development. It helps you be more aware. It will help also you to align your goal and learning from your mistakes. Because if you don't review, you don't understand what the mistake you did. And there is always an opportunity to learn something new, not make the same mistakes again. In the chaos of everyday life, it can be easy to lose sight of our long-term goals and forget our most priority tasks. But time is precious. Knowing what matters ensures us take action on the things that best use of our time. Take a note of what you achieved and what you missed. Reflect on what worked, what didn't work. That will help you to identify how you are working towards your goal. Now it's time to adjust. So review and reflection is absolutely important for time management and to your goals. At the end of the video, I could say managing your time is very important. You need to come up with the proper plan to manage your time, because your time is yours. You need to give the value to yourself. If you do not give the value, you cannot use it properly. So in this video, I discuss about 4 important tips, like how you spend your time, know them properly, set a very clear goals, block your time, and review and reflection. These 4 simple tips will help you immensely to achieve your goals. Remember that one success is a journey. In the journey, you need to be consistent, dedicated. If you do not give yourself with this manner, you will not get the success. You need to understand that to achieve anything, you need to work hard. You need to work on your outside of the comfortable zone. Whenever you are committed, whenever you have a burning desire on your mind, you are ready to go. I hope you will learn something from this and implement those things to your life, because action is the mother of skill. If you do not take the actions, you will not improving at all. Thanks for watching.